The biggest secret for making some great melodies is knowing some great melodic patterns. So in this video I'm going through 6 different melodic patterns you should know to up the level in your music production game. The first melody type is an ascending melody. Let's first choose the scale and do some chords. For example, some chords like this. So the idea of an ascending melody is that it goes up. So for example here you can see the ghost notes of the chords, so you will follow the chords and go up in the scale until you achieve the root note again. Now repeat the same thing for each chord. The second melodic pattern is a descending melodic pattern. Let's for example start with chords like this. In this case, because it's going down, we're gonna start again from the root note, but transpose it 1 octave up, and now we're gonna descend with the chords. Now repeat the same thing to every chord. The third melodic pattern is a call and response melodic pattern. In this case you're gonna use the chords as your help again, so write a melody that lasts 1 bar or 2 bars. For example, something like this. Now you're gonna write an answering melody to this first part of the melody. The easiest way to do it is to copy these ones. Usually you want it to start a little bit lower or higher, so it sounds that something is answering the first part of the melody. You can make the call and response melody much more interesting by taking this second part and putting it to another instrument. The fourth melodic pattern is a pedal note pattern. I would approach this method by first creating a rhythm. And now when you got the rhythm, you're gonna keep the first note in the root note. In this example it's D because it's a D minor scale, and then you're gonna switch every second note up in the scale. I actually love combining the patterns, for example the descending pattern with this one. The fifth melodic pattern is an octave bounce melodic pattern. Because I use the D minor scale again, I'm gonna start it from the root note D, and then the second note will bounce 1 octave up. If you want your next note to be higher than the root note, you're gonna go up these last notes, or if you want it to be lower, you're gonna go down. So the basic octave bounce would sound something like this. The last melodic pattern is motif plus variation melodic pattern. In this melodic pattern, you're gonna first draw a shape, for example like this, and then you're gonna repeat the shape in each bar, but in each bar you're gonna change the last note. There's actually many ways how you can become better making melodies, and these were some few patterns that you could use in your next song if you get stuck or you just want some inspiration. Thank you so much for watching the video. Leave a comment, what do you want to see next, like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.